Hello and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and as always, I am here to show you how to live affordably, sustainably, because why? Being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. So now today, I have another made out of what tutorial for you, and I don't know about you, but I have quite a collection of these kind of spiral-bound notebooks, and I use them. I keep my little Refashionista notes in them, my ideas and everything. But of course, what do you do when the pages are all gone, you know? And these spirals here, they're pretty cool. If you actually look at them, they're quite cool. So today I have 5 upcycling tutorials for you, and yeah, we're gonna transform these spirals here into some really awesome accessories. But just looking at my nails here, and before we jump into the tutorials, I have a quick question for you. Do you paint your fingernails? And if so, I'm trying here like a neutral color. I haven't really ever tried neutral before, and I'm not sure if I like it. What do you think? Do you prefer neutral nail polishes? Do you go for really bright colors? Let me know down below. And yeah, I actually bit my nails till I was like in my late 30s, so I'm still relatively new to the whole, actually having fingernails that look pretty kind of thing. So any kind of tips and advice for nail polishes and manicures and stuff are more than welcome. So yeah, let's get started now. Let's go make 5 fab spiral notebook accessories.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Sorry for the quick interruption, but I just want to let you know, please do stick around till the end of the video because I am going to start doing giveaways, you guys. So yeah, I'll let you know all about it at the end of the video. And you never know, you might just score some awesome Refashionista gear. Yeah, so okay, let's get to the tutorial now. Today, we're going to transform some items headed for the trash into some awesome spring accessories. For the first accessory, all you need is a couple of emptied out mini notebooks and 2 earring hooks. So first, you just want to remove all of the cardboard and little remaining paper bits from this springy part of the notebook. And next, we're just gonna grab that earring hook and slip the end of the earring hook around the end of the notebook spring. And yeah, you got an earring. That's it. It is that simple.
Now go make the other one and you've created a pair of totally 80s earrings.
Some notebook spirals are absolutely huge, and I think this one will make a great necklace. So I just looked in my jewelry box and found this rather kind of a wide linked chain, and the links are more than big enough to go around my spiral. So I'm simply going to open up each end and attach it.
This is definitely an awesome statement necklace.
This notebook spiral has a really interesting shape, so I think this one might look really cool as a collar pin. So first, I kind of measured it on my neck and pulled it apart a bit and then bent it into shape as evenly as I could. And I want to have this part to the front because that's like the interesting part. So I've heated up my trusty glue gun here. So I'm going to pop a little bit of glue on the back of my pin and then just stick it to my spiral. So now, because my spiral is kind of a shiny black and my pin is silver, I just grabbed some black nail polish and I'm just going to paint the pin on the outside here and of course on the inside to make it blend in better. Now I'm going to set that aside to dry and we'll move on to our next notebook spiral accessory.
This is perfect with my Refashion Ruffled tulle top.
School notebooks have super long spirals, and these can easily be wrapped back onto themselves, twisted together, and yeah, they actually stay together, but we are going to secure it a little bit more. And first, I'm going to wrap it around my wrist and decide, how long I need it to be to create a bracelet. So now that I have it measured to where it's comfortable to slip on and off, I've kind of hooked it together, and I can now easily chop off any excess here, like so. Hey, I can make another pair of earrings out of this one. And I'm going to kind of spiral it together a little bit, making sure I can still get it off and on, and of course I can. And now, just gonna grab my glue gun and secure it.
For an even cuter look, try adding some beads before you glue it together.
So because I only had a single metal notebook spiral, I just chopped it in half. It was really easy to do with just a pair of scissors, and then added my earring hooks. But I'm not really digging this white color so much, so I think I'm going to snazzy it up a little bit. So here I have an old plastic container, and I filled it with enough water to submerge my earring into. And now I'm going to swirl around some nail polish, like so. And I'm going to dip my earring into the water and nail polish, and la, it is perfectly colored. Now I'm going to go repeat it with the other one and hang them up to dry.
I really don't think these could be any more adorable.
How absolutely adorable and crazy, crazy simple are those accessories to make, and they all look pretty darn cool in my humble little refashionista opinion. Now, if you've made it all the way to the end, you are in for a treat, because as I said at the beginning, I am going to start doing giveaways, because you know what? I make so much stuff. I do not have any space for it, and I can't just keep giving it away to, my local buddies here and everything. They don't need more Refashionista gear. So I thought, you know what? I love you guys so much. Week after week, you're showing up, you're following my tutorials, you're living more eco-friendly, and I absolutely adore you for that. So I am going to start giving away the makes that maybe I don't need because I have too many of them, starting with exactly what I made with the spirals here. So please do let me know, what would you like? Do you want all of them? Would you like 2 pairs of earrings, the brooch, the bracelet, and the funky statement, the funky statement necklace? Or if you just want like earrings and the bracelet, earrings and the brooch, the necklace only, let me know down below, and I will choose the winners. Let's say in a week or two, I will let you know. I'll respond to your comment, let you know, and then you can send me an email and I will get your winnings sent out to you. And yeah, I think from now on, I'm gonna start doing little giveaways here and there at the end of my videos. And yeah, then hopefully, hopefully you guys are gonna be able to enjoy my makes as much as I enjoy making them. And yeah. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Mwah! Which do you want? Which do you want? Let me know. Let me know down below.